So all right guys, in my last tutorial we looked at how you can sign up an account with Pandabuy. So if you haven't gotten an account, then I'm going to be leaving the video under the description button of this tutorial, so you can just click on it and go and watch how you can sign up with Pandabuy. And I even give you guys an introduction about Pandabuy, right, and what they do. They are just in form of a middleman. Okay, they help you place an order from your local Chinese shopping apps, and they give you an inspection service. They help you inspect it after they receive it. They are not sending it directly to your warehouse. They are sending to their warehouse for inspection purpose. So once they help you inspect it, they will send you the picture, the weight, the sizes, the color, and the likes. Then they help you ship directly to your country, most especially to your doorstep if possible. Okay, so now in today's tutorial, we are looking at how you can change your currency. We have different currency. This is Pandabuy. So they give you a different options to select your language and your currency. Now, if I'm to enter this search bar and I said I want to search for a shoe, okay, let me click on search before we go ahead to change to the currency. Now, if you look closely, this currency is in yuan, which is the Chinese currency. They spend yuan in Chinese currency. But for a better calculation as a business person or as an entrepreneur, maybe you want this price to be displaying in your local currency, maybe in USD, in pounds, in Europe, in naira, or in any currency at all. I'm quickly going to be telling you how you can change it, most especially the language as well, how you can change the language directly. Okay, so if you see this closely now, you will see that these are prices in Chinese local markets. How do you get this thing done? Just come to the extreme edge of the screen here at the upper right side of this website here. I've recorded a video on it on the desktop version. This is just the mobile version. I've recorded a video on the desktop version because the way it appears here, although the interface is the same, but at least you will get a quick overview on the desktop version. Is going to be wider than this. So if you want the wider version, you can just check under the description button. You can find it there. Okay, so this is it here. Just come to this edge. For the sake of those who don't have a PC, this is still the same thing. So you see English and CYN. So you click on this drop down arrow. Okay, you click on it. Once you click on it, this will pops up. So this is the just 4 language available. So we have Espanol, then Chinese, and I think this is Hong Kong, then English. If you want to change your language, that is the 4 languages that is popular and that is available. Then when we look at currency, we have USD. If you want to change directly to USD, we have British pounds, we have Europe, then we have I think this is New Zealand, and we have AUD, Canadian dollar, then we have Brazil, then we have CYN and other currency there. So these are the list. So let's say I want to change to USD. I want to know the price of this item, the prices that they are selling these items directly. Okay, so I'm just going to click on this US dollar here, then tap OK. Don't just click, but you are tapping OK as well. So after clicking on this USDT, I click on OK. It's going to change the price automatically to what? To USDT. You can see now from the local Chinese currency, which is yuan, it has automatically changed to what? To USDT. Okay, that's how you can basically change your language and that's how you can change your language and your currency on Pandabuy. Okay, so if you want us to help you procure goods directly from this platform, we are available for procurement. Okay, and we look at the payment method too. We have different payment method. So in my next tutorial now, we are going to be looking at how you can make a purchase. That's the first thing. How you can add your direct shipping address, like your local shipping address, your country local shipping address, or your home address, because they can deliver to your company directly. They can also deliver to your doorstep. So in my next tutorial now, that's what we are going to be looking at. After we add our local shipping address there, then we look at the payment method. After looking at the payment method, then we look at how you can place an order directly, which is very awesome, which is very good. And I want to make sure that as I'm recording the mobile view of Pandabuy, I'm also going to be doing the desktop view as well, so you all can learn and understand how this Pandabuy works and how you can place your order, get different designs of what you want to buy. Okay, so if you find value in watching today's tutorial and you wish to see more of these videos, you can just subscribe to the channel, like the video, give it a thumbs up, and also share to your people, to whomsoever you think the video will be helpful to. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this very tutorial to the very end, and I will definitely see you in my next tutorial. Bye and peace out.